everyone, my name is Marielle and my pronouns are she, her, and hers.
Hi y'all, my name is Kay. My pronouns are also she, her, and hers.
And we are both interns for SFSU's HPW Basic Needs Initiative.
In this video, we'll be showing you how to meal prep for commuters.
As college students, we're moving around a lot. We're going to school, we're going to work, we're going back home, we're going to different obligations that we may have. We're moving, and buying fast food out each day and every day isn't ideal.
And yes, we all know carrying a lunch bag doesn't sound ideal, especially throughout the whole day, but hurting your bank is not the way to go, especially if you're trying to save money and budget.
So in this video, we're just going to teach you ways you can meal prep, easy dishes that can last you all day, that you might not need to microwave or doesn't necessarily need to be refrigerated all day. So simple foods that you can lug around with you the whole day. So let's get started. So the first step in meal prepping is deciding on what foods and snacks will last in your bag all day. We recommend things like sandwiches, salads, pastas, burrito bowls, and I'm sure you can Pinterest or look up a bunch of different meals that are great for on the go. Also, make sure you bring a ton of snacks. Those are great for when you're in the bus, on the muni, waiting for your next class, or at work and you need something to munch on. So these snacks can be mixed nuts, chopped fruit, granola bars, protein bars, or crackers, anything small and finger food related.
Next step, grocery shopping, the fun part. So you can go places like Grocery Outlet and Trader Joe's for cheaper options, but you can also definitely go to SFSU's food pantry and Gator groceries for free food. The part after that, you just have to take time out of your day, one day out of the week, dedicated to meal prepping, or every day for 30 minutes. It doesn't take that long to meal prep your food.
So once you have all your food and snacks lined up, let's talk about containers. So Ziploc bags may seem convenient because they're small. Once you're done with them, you can just toss them. But that's not very eco-friendly because you are wasting plastic and putting it in our ecosystem. So what we recommend are using things like plastic containers. And we emphasize plastic containers because they are lighter in weight versus glass containers. But that's also your preference. I'm just thinking of you're having to lug this around all day and you don't want to carry things that are too heavy. We highly recommend these containers. Also, they keep your food intact, so they're not getting smushed by your books. So meal prepping is a great way to keep you from buying fast food every day while you're out and about. This will also encourage you to stay healthy and save money.
I started this meal prep process last year and I saved over $200 every month. And this is where your budgeting skills comes in handy. But if you need more tips on how to meal prep, check out our basic needs link down below. And thanks for watching. Bye!